Hey everyone, Slim Reshae here. I am super excited to share with you this makeup look featuring some of my favorite products from Nordstrom Beauty. To start off, I'm taking the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Primer and Setting Spray, and I'm just spraying this all over my face to prep the skin for this makeup look. For the brows, I'm going in with my UOMA Beauty Baby Hair Brow Pencil. By far one of my favorite brow pencils. It makes defined hair strokes, and I love the spoolie side of the product because I am able to brush out my brow hairs and then fill them in respectively with the brow pencil side. This brow product is great for creating like hair strokes with the pencil, as well as just filling in and defining any sparse areas of your brows. I always like to go in with a concealer and clean up my brows, and today we are using the UOMA Beauty Stay Woke Concealer, and this concealer is so nice, y'all. Like, it literally cleans up the brows and makes it look like you have freshly waxed brows, which is why I love doing this. And so I'm just carving out my brows with this concealer. You want to take your time to make sure you get those edges nice and sharp, and then we're just going to clean up both of our brows so we have a nice fresh waxed brow look. For foundation, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15, and this foundation gives you buildable medium to full coverage. So today I'm going for a little bit more of a full coverage look, so I am building the product up and I'm blending it in with my Beauty Bakery blending sponge. For concealer, I am taking the UOMA Beauty Stay Woke Concealer that I use to clean up my brows, and I'm just putting this everywhere where I want to highlight on my face. So under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, as well as on my chin, and I blend it out with my Beauty Bakery blending sponge. To contour, I'm taking my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Highlighter and Shader Duet. And y'all, this bottom shade is so beautiful. It works great for contouring and bronzing up the face to add a little bit more dimension. And so I'm just applying this with a nice buffing brush, and it is just looking very good. I love how this product blended out easy on my face, and it blended in great with the Bobbi Brown foundation. So I'm super excited for you guys to see how this look turns out. Next, I'm taking my Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent to set my under eyes and everywhere where I put that concealer. After I set my face with powder, I like to go in with a brow gel, and this is the Blowout Brow Gel from UOMA Beauty, and I'm using this just to set my brow hairs in place and make sure my brow hairs are going in an upward and outward direction. So here I'm just brushing my brow hairs with the brow gel, making sure they look nice and defined. Next, I'm just gonna dust off this excess powder with a clean brush, and I'm just getting rid of any excess powder and kind of blending everything together for a seamless finish. I'm never shy with my setting spray, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my MAC Prep and Prime setting spray, and this is just to kind of melt all those powder products into the skin and make it look nice and flawless. Next, I'm going in with this eyeliner to just give like a smudged look. This is a nice like midnight blue color, and so it's just gonna add a little bit of drama to this nice natural look. Next, I'm going in with my Lancome mascara, and this mascara is 10 out of 10. Would recommend you guys. My lashes look so bold when I apply this mascara, and it's great for application on the top lashes or your lower lashes. I really love how this mascara defined my lashes, so make sure you guys check it out. Last but not least, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and I'm just placing this on the inner portion of my lip because I want my lips to look nice, natural, and a little bit pouty. So that's why we're just adding this luscious pink shade in the center of the lips. And now we have a nice natural look. So make sure you just keep blotting your lips and set it with some setting spray to finish everything all together. Make sure you get that setting spray to dry down nice, and that is your final look, nice and natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and fluff out my hair, put on some of my earrings, and I'm gonna get started with my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.